Every project, no matter the size or industry, faces its own unique set of execution challenges. From the initial planning stages to the final delivery, teams often encounter unexpected obstacles that can derail timelines and budgets. In this video, we'll explore the most common project execution challenges, why they occur, and how teams can proactively address them. By understanding these hurdles, project managers and team members can better prepare for the road ahead and increase their chances of success. Let's begin by looking at the core reasons why projects struggle during execution. One of the most significant challenges in project execution is unclear objectives. When project goals are not well defined, team members may work towards different outcomes, leading to confusion and wasted effort. This lack of clarity can stem from poor communication, insufficient stakeholder involvement, or ambiguous project documentation. To overcome this, it's crucial to establish clear, measurable objectives from the outset and ensure everyone on the team understands them. Regular check-ins and updates can help keep everyone aligned as the project progresses. Effective communication is the backbone of successful project execution. When communication breaks down, misunderstandings arise, tasks are duplicated or missed, and morale can suffer. This challenge often occurs in teams spread across different locations or when there are language barriers. Implementing structured communication channels, such as regular meetings and clear documentation, can help bridge these gaps. Encouraging open dialogue and feedback also ensures that issues are addressed before they escalate. Scope creep refers to the gradual expansion of a project's goals or deliverables beyond the original plan. This often happens when stakeholders request additional features or changes without proper evaluation. Scope creep can strain resources, extend timelines, and increase costs. To manage this challenge, it's important to have a well-defined scope from the beginning and a formal process for handling change requests. Regularly reviewing project progress against the original scope helps keep the team focused and on track. Projects often face challenges due to limited resources, whether it's budget, personnel, or equipment. Resource constraints can delay progress and force teams to make difficult trade-offs. Effective resource management involves careful planning, prioritization, and sometimes creative problem-solving. By identifying resource needs early and monitoring usage throughout the project, teams can avoid bottlenecks and ensure that critical tasks are adequately supported. Setting unrealistic timelines is a common pitfall in project execution. When deadlines are too tight, teams may rush through tasks, leading to mistakes and lower quality. Unrealistic schedules can also cause stress and burnout. To avoid this, project managers should involve team members in the estimation process and build in buffers for unexpected delays. Transparent communication about what's achievable helps set realistic expectations for everyone involved. Risk is inherent in every project, but failing to identify and manage risks can lead to major setbacks. Ineffective risk management often results from inadequate planning or a lack of contingency strategies. Successful teams proactively identify potential risks, assess their impact, and develop mitigation plans. Regular risk reviews and open discussions help ensure that the team is prepared to respond quickly if issues arise. Stakeholder engagement is crucial for project success. When stakeholders are not actively involved, important feedback may be missed and the project may not meet their needs. This challenge can be addressed by involving stakeholders early, keeping them informed, and seeking their input at key stages. Building strong relationships with stakeholders ensures their support and increases the likelihood of project acceptance. Strong leadership is essential for guiding a project to completion. Inadequate leadership can result in poor decision-making, lack of direction, and low team morale. Effective leaders provide clear vision, motivate the team, and make timely decisions. They also foster a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. Investing in leadership development and providing support to project managers can help overcome this challenge. Team dynamics play a significant role in project execution. Conflicts, lack of trust, or poor collaboration can hinder progress and reduce productivity. Addressing team dynamics involves building trust, encouraging open communication, and resolving conflicts quickly. Team building activities and regular feedback sessions can strengthen relationships and create a more cohesive working environment. When team members lack the necessary skills or training, project execution can suffer. Insufficient training leads to mistakes, rework, and delays. Providing ongoing training and development opportunities ensures that everyone has the knowledge and skills required to perform their roles effectively. Encouraging a learning culture within the team also helps members adapt to new challenges as they arise. Technology can be both a facilitator and a barrier in project execution. Outdated systems, software incompatibility, or lack of technical support can slow down progress. To address technology challenges, it's important to assess technical needs early, invest in the right tools, and provide adequate support. Regularly updating systems and training team members on new technologies can help prevent technical issues from derailing the project. Efficient processes can create bottlenecks and slow down project execution. These inefficiencies may result from outdated procedures, redundant steps, or lack of automation. Streamlining processes by eliminating unnecessary tasks and adopting best practices can improve efficiency. Regular process reviews and feedback from team members help identify areas for improvement and ensure that workflows remain effective. Proper documentation is essential for tracking progress and ensuring continuity. Inadequate documentation can lead to confusion, miscommunication, and loss of critical information. Establishing clear documentation standards and ensuring that all project information is recorded and accessible can help prevent these issues. Regularly updating documents and making them available to the team supports transparency and accountability. Accountability ensures that everyone on the team takes responsibility for their tasks and deliverables. When accountability is lacking, deadlines are missed and quality suffers. Establishing clear roles, setting expectations, and tracking progress can foster a culture of accountability. Regular performance reviews and recognition of achievements also motivate team members to stay committed to their responsibilities. Change is often necessary for project success, but resistance from team members or stakeholders can create significant challenges. Resistance may stem from fear of the unknown, lack of understanding, or previous negative experiences. Addressing this challenge involves clear communication about the reasons for change, involving people in the process, and providing support during transitions. Creating a positive change culture helps teams adapt more easily. Maintaining quality throughout project execution is vital. Quality control issues can arise from rushed work, lack of standards, or insufficient testing. Implementing quality assurance processes, setting clear standards, and conducting regular reviews help ensure that deliverables meet expectations. Encouraging a culture of quality within the team also motivates members to take pride in their work. Projects often involve multiple tasks that depend on each other. Poor dependency management can lead to delays and confusion when one task holds up others. Mapping out dependencies early and using project management tools to track them helps teams anticipate potential bottlenecks. Regular coordination meetings ensure that everyone is aware of task dependencies and can adjust plans as needed. Many projects rely on external vendors or partners for critical components or services. Issues such as delays, miscommunication, or quality problems with vendors can impact project execution. Building strong relationships, setting clear expectations, and maintaining open communication with vendors help mitigate these risks. Regular performance reviews and contingency plans ensure that the project stays on track even if issues arise. Legal and compliance risks can pose significant challenges, especially in regulated industries. Failing to comply with laws or regulations can result in fines, delays, or project shutdowns. Engaging legal experts early, staying informed about relevant regulations, and conducting regular compliance checks help minimize these risks. Clear documentation and training also ensure that the team understands and follows all necessary guidelines. Staying within budget is a constant challenge in project execution. Unexpected costs, poor estimation, or scope changes can lead to budget overruns. Effective budgeting involves detailed planning, regular monitoring, and contingency funds for unforeseen expenses. Transparent reporting and early identification of cost issues allow teams to take corrective action before problems escalate. Clients may sometimes have expectations that are not aligned with the project's scope, timeline, or budget. Managing these expectations requires clear communication, setting realistic goals, and providing regular updates. By involving clients in key decisions and being transparent about limitations, teams can build trust and avoid disappointment. In global projects, cultural differences can create misunderstandings and affect collaboration. Differences in communication styles, work habits, or decision-making processes may lead to friction. Promoting cultural awareness, encouraging open dialogue, and adapting processes to accommodate diverse perspectives help teams work more effectively across cultures. When team members are spread across different locations, coordinating work becomes more challenging. Time zone differences, lack of face-to-face interaction, and communication delays can hinder progress. Leveraging collaboration tools, scheduling regular virtual meetings, and establishing clear communication protocols help bridge the distance and keep everyone connected. Managing project data effectively is crucial for informed decision-making. Data management issues such as inconsistent formats, lack of access, or data loss can disrupt project execution. Implementing robust data management systems, setting data standards, and ensuring regular backups help maintain data integrity and availability throughout the project lifecycle. Motivation drives productivity and engagement. When team members lack motivation, project progress can stall. Causes may include unclear goals, lack of recognition, or burnout. Addressing motivation involves setting meaningful goals, recognizing achievements, and fostering a positive team culture. Providing opportunities for growth and ensuring a healthy work-life balance also contribute to sustained motivation. Feedback is essential for continuous improvement. Inadequate feedback loops can result in repeated mistakes and missed opportunities for learning. Establishing regular feedback sessions, encouraging open communication, and acting on feedback help teams adapt and improve their performance throughout the project. When roles and responsibilities are not clearly defined, confusion and duplication of effort can occur. This can slow down progress and lead to missed deadlines. Clearly outlining each team member's role, documenting responsibilities, and communicating them to the entire team ensures that everyone knows what is expected and can work efficiently. Team members often juggle multiple projects or tasks, leading to overlapping priorities. This can result in divided attention and reduced focus on the current project. Prioritizing tasks, setting clear deadlines, and managing workloads help ensure that the most important work receives the necessary attention. Regular check-ins also help identify and resolve conflicts in priorities. Innovation can drive project success by introducing new ideas and solutions. However, a lack of innovation may result from rigid processes, fear of failure, or limited resources. Encouraging creative thinking, providing time for brainstorming, and supporting experimentation help foster innovation within the team. Recognizing and rewarding innovative ideas also motivates team members to think outside the box. Change is inevitable in projects, but inadequate change management can disrupt progress. Without a structured approach, changes may be implemented haphazardly, causing confusion and resistance. Establishing a formal change management process, communicating changes clearly, and involving the team in decision-making help ensure smooth transitions and minimize disruption. Security and privacy are critical, especially in projects involving sensitive data. Breaches or lapses can result in legal issues and loss of trust. Addressing these concerns involves implementing robust security measures, training team members on best practices, and regularly reviewing security protocols. Staying updated on the latest threats and compliance requirements helps protect project data. Assumptions are often made during project planning, but if they are not managed, they can lead to surprises and setbacks. Documenting assumptions, validating them with stakeholders, and regularly reviewing them helps ensure that the project stays on course. Addressing assumptions early reduces the risk of unexpected issues arising later in the project. Executive support provides the authority and resources needed for project success. Without it, teams may struggle to secure funding, resolve conflicts, or gain buy-in from other departments. Engaging executives early, keeping them informed, and demonstrating the project's value helps secure their ongoing support and commitment. Defining what success looks like is essential for guiding project execution. Unclear success criteria can lead to confusion and misaligned efforts. Establishing measurable success indicators, communicating them to the team, and regularly reviewing progress against these criteria help ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals. Sometimes, processes become overly complex, making project execution cumbersome. Overcomplicated processes can slow down decision-making and increase the risk of errors. Simplifying workflows, removing unnecessary steps, and focusing on value-added activities help streamline execution and improve efficiency. Continuous improvement is key to long-term project success. Without it, teams may repeat mistakes and miss opportunities for growth. Encouraging regular reflection, learning from past projects, and implementing improvements help teams evolve and deliver better results over time. Testing is essential to ensure that project deliverables meet requirements and function as intended. Inadequate testing can result in defects, rework, and dissatisfied stakeholders. Establishing thorough testing procedures, involving users in testing, and addressing issues promptly help maintain quality and avoid costly mistakes. Flexibility allows teams to adapt to changing circumstances and requirements. A rigid approach can make it difficult to respond to new information or challenges. Encouraging flexibility, empowering teams to make decisions, and being open to change help ensure that the project can adapt and succeed in a dynamic environment. While project management tools are valuable, over-reliance on them can create challenges. Tools should support, not replace, effective communication and decision-making. Balancing the use of technology with human interaction ensures that tools enhance rather than hinder project execution. External factors such as market changes, economic shifts, or natural disasters can impact project execution. While these are often beyond the team's control, monitoring external trends and developing contingency plans help teams respond effectively when challenges arise. Keeping stakeholders informed is essential for project success. Inadequate communication can lead to misunderstandings, misaligned expectations, and lack of support. Establishing regular communication channels, providing timely updates, and seeking feedback from stakeholders help maintain alignment and support throughout the project. Proper project closure ensures that all deliverables are completed, lessons are learned, and stakeholders are satisfied. Skipping closure activities can result in unresolved issues and missed opportunities for improvement. Establishing a formal closure process, conducting post-project reviews, and celebrating successes help wrap up projects effectively. Throughout this video, we've explored a wide range of project execution challenges, from unclear objectives and poor communication to resource constraints and inadequate risk management. Each challenge presents its own risks, but with proactive planning, strong leadership, and a commitment to continuous improvement, teams can overcome these hurdles. By staying vigilant and adaptable, project managers can guide their teams to successful outcomes, even in the face of adversity. Project execution is rarely straightforward, but understanding the common challenges and how to address them is the first step toward success. By fostering clear communication, strong leadership, and a culture of accountability, teams can navigate obstacles and deliver results. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and improve. With the right mindset and strategies, your next project can overcome any hurdle and achieve its goal.